Welcome back to step 17 of our 6-inch smooth operator build.
This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter.
This is the final step in which we attach our mount for our GoPro to our smooth operator. And here is where we're going to attach it to. And again, here is the TPU mount, and I'm going with red to match my camera. So to do this, we need two brass fittings and two 30mm M3 bolts. Now, this is important to take a note of, and that is this right here. If you notice the bottom, we have a larger size and a smaller side. And if you look at the smaller side, we have this recess for the brass fittings. This side does not have it. We need that because the screw has to bite into something. So start with the brass fittings and just put it in there and press it down until it's seated all the way down like that. See? Below the edge line of the TPU mount. And then we're going to do the same for this. Find the side that has the recess. This side does not appear to have a recess. Actually, this side is slightly larger. That's what I see. This is a smaller hole and this is a larger hole, but does not appear to have the recess. So in any event, we're just going to put it in there. So, and again, the smaller side gets the recess. Got it? Good. Once we got that, we just slide that into place. We got the 30-degree part here. Get that in there. And I don't think it really matters a whole lot which side you start with. And I'll take this bolt. Just feed it in there. Oh man, you know what? That is kind of tight. It needs a little gentle persuasion, I'm afraid. So let's give it a little. I guess this is a good thing. You really don't want to force it because you could tear up the TPU. At least I have in the past with others. The catalyst stuff is definitely tougher than some of the material that I've worked with before. You might as well get this one started too. Just get it so it's just before it clears the other side. There we go, and I'm going to back it off a little bit. All right, at that point, let's get it in position. And I don't know if this is going to push through or not, so I'm just going to try and thread it all the way through. Let's see if I got it into the hole right. Seems to be having a certain amount of resistance. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. And we just got to screw that so it's all the way through. This would be a good time to have an electric screwdriver. Maybe we'll speed up the video and make it look like I have an electric screwdriver. And there we go. Not much more of that. Just screwing that until it gets through to the other side and the brass bushings. I think I'm seeing it emerge on the other side. Well, it must have caught because it's there. Okay, and the other one, we just got to just slide it, maneuver it until it lines up. Because, you know, this isn't made to be flexible. You don't want that part to be too stiff. You want it to, in fact, I may back that off a little bit, if I can. You want it to have some give to absorb the vibration. Nope, that was the wrong way. Loosen that up. would be easier if I got a open end wrench for this. There. That's a little looser. Okay. So let's just slide that into the hole and begin threading it through. If you don't have the hole, I'm sure it'll be separating on you. And there we go. Woo! That is giving me hand cramps, all this screwing up. Oh man, that is a big 30 millimeter screw bolt. I keep saying screw, but I mean bolt. Bolts are machine screws with blunt ends, where screws have pointy ends, as into going through wood needs something to bite. I think my hand is out of shape. I need to do screw exercises to get these longer screws in by hand. Let's throw a little left. Try it with my lefty. Give my right hand a break. I am not ambidextrous, though I dated her in high school. Didn't work out very well. We were just too different. I was too dominant and she was too... Oh, this is not working out. See that? I did not get the connection there, so I got to back that off. And that's how you know it's not making the point. That was not lined up. Okay. Let's try that again. I'll put my thumb here to help feel if we're making that bushing. Yeah, okay, now we got it. So there you go, little pressure. Oh, is that going? I felt something. Yeah, it's in the bushing. If you put your finger right there, you can kind of feel when it's starting. And you don't want to make it too tight because you want this to be able to move. Ah, man, that is a lot of screwing around. And I'm going to back this off a little bit because I want to make sure I have some play here. So this should be able to, there you see it moves a little bit. That's so it could take a hit and float. So that's it. And the GoPro, now this is the one that allows for the ND filter, and I don't have one on right now, but let's just see how that fits. And I understand if it doesn't fit so well, you could heat it up with a gun, with a heat gun, a bit. Is there one side different than another? I may have to soften this up. Wow, that's freaking tight. So, okay, let's go get our heat gun. Heat gun. Here's a hint. Heat guns work best when they're plugged in. All right, let's heat that up a little bit. And let's see if they're right. Let's see if we can get that in now. I hope there's a problem because, you know, I gotta charge it and stuff. There, now I went and started it by accident. Man, that is snug. I think I should have put the camera in before I mounted it. It's going in. There we go. Let's turn the camera off now. Come on, turn off. There we go. All right. Mission accomplished. There we go. And, you know, even without the ND filter, that camera is not going anywhere. That is a really, really snug fit. I'm very pleased with that. And let's see, how is this for balance? Let's feel that out. That's pretty good. So that's step 17. I guess the next thing is let's go get some props. And I'll go show you the props I picked in the next video. I'm Joel LikeCatcher. Please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in another moment.
Thanks for watching till the end of this video. This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, please consider being one of my Patreon subscribers. I'm Joel LikeCatcher, and I really appreciate you spending your time with me. Remember to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes up.